Hello, welcome to this checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. You can see that the black king has a queen, 5 pawns, and a bishop. White has the king down at the bottom, 2 rooks, 2 bishops, queen, 2 knights, and 4 pawns. It's white's turn, and can you see the checkmate in 2? The next best checkmate after the checkmate in 2 is actually a checkmate in 4. You can do this by moving the knight to h3. The king moves up, you can slide the rook over to d1. Black can then try and push the g pawn, and then you can check the king with the bishop. King moves back down, and then you can finally move in with the queen to checkmate in 4. The second checkmate in 4 is if you move the queen to h7. Black can take the knight with the king, and then push the e pawn. Black can then move to g5. You can then move in with the bishop. After the pawn takes that, you can move in with the queen to checkmate in 4, not 2. If you try to check the king by moving the knight to d3, the king has an escape square, and then you can't checkmate in 2 this way because the king can escape, or you can take the queen with the pawn. And if you try to exchange the queens by taking the queen on f6, there's no checkmate in 2 this way either because the king will have an escape square after you move the knight. So let's take a look at the solution to this one. So pause the video if you need more time. To get the checkmate 2 for white, what you need to do is move the knight to d5. If black pushes the pawn to g5, you can then take it with the queen to checkmate in 2. If black pushes the e pawn, you can then move the knight to d3 to checkmate in 2. Black takes the knight with their pawn, you can take it back with your pawn to do a reveal check, and that's a checkmate in 2. And if black moves their bishop, you can then take the pawn on e7 with the queen to checkmate in 2. That's the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.